In this video, we will go over how clients can pull their own basic reports within the El Toro portal. The information on these reports can be useful for clients as they contain extra metrics not reported on the dashboard. These metrics include impressions, clicks, and CTR by campaign, order line, and creative. To get to these reports, make sure you are in a client org. Click on Reports on the left-hand side menu bar. Once on the Reports page, the date range can be set. The dates can be in order line's flight dates or other dates designated by the client. Once the date ranges are set, the user can see the stats for each campaign as well as click on the drop-down next to the campaign to see individual order lines. Then drop the order lines down to see stats per creative. Here's an example. Notice the campaign contains order lines beneath. Just click one of those and you will see the stats per creative. At any time after setting the date range, the user may download the report using the Downloadable Reports button in the top right. It will take you to the page shown below. The highlighted area is where the user would click to download the report. It breaks down every campaign, order line, and creative ran during the set date range. If a client wants to filter out a campaign, they will need to do that inside of Excel once the report is downloaded. We are El Toro, the only one-to-one 100% cookie-free IP targeting solution, and thank you for watching.